back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to fix text notification not working on Motorola G87. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, restart device. Just click and hold side power button and volume up button at the time. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on see all apps. Scroll down and click on messages app. Click on storage and cache. If you want to fix this problem, so clear cache messages app. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.